It's iPhone leak season again. In just a couple of months, Apple is expected to unveil 3 new phones: the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, and a new foldable iPhone now rumored to be called the iPhone Ultra. But as always, one of the most important questions for buyers will be, what colors will Apple release this time? Every year, Apple introduces a new signature color for the iPhone Pro models. With the iPhone 17 Pro, the color that stood out the most was the vibrant cosmic orange. What about this year's models? While other sources have previously reported on a dark red color, the information we've heard suggests that Apple has been working on a dark cherry option to serve as the headline new color for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Previously, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and other leakers had suggested that Apple has been experimenting with a shade of red for this year's phones. But we can reveal the hue will be much closer to wine than fruit punch. While dark cherry color won't be as bright and striking as cosmic orange in person, it will still be unique enough to distinguish it as the new iPhone 18 Pro. As always, Apple is expected to discontinue the current lineup of colors, including cosmic orange. Apple has also been reportedly experimenting with 2 other new color options for this year's Pro lineup. One of them is light blue, which would resemble the current mist blue color of the base iPhone 17. The other color in development is a dark shade of gray. Finally, our source also reports on the existence of a silver variant of the iPhone 18 Pro, similar to the current generation. Once again, our source notes that the colors are all in development, but since the iPhone 18 Pro hasn't gone into mass production yet, Apple still has time to change them. Also, bear in mind that Apple doesn't always offer 4 color options for the Pro models, so one of these hues could be dropped. Sources also had access to the CAD drawings of the new iPhones. These documents support the rumors that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will look very similar to their predecessors, with only minor changes. Most notably, the renders show a smaller dynamic island on the screen, which has been rumored to be one of the changes for this year's models. This means the display will have more screen space for content when the dynamic island isn't showing live activities. Another interesting change noted by our source is that, in one of the renders, the gap between the glass cutout on the back and the camera bump is a bit smaller. Our source was unable to verify whether this is an old render or if Apple is moving forward with a design change. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.